Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at detechtrader.com. It's Tuesday, August the 25th. These are the charts of the day. Well, interesting trading day, but there's a few stocks we want to show you that have really emerged or are doing well. ABCL, for example, after pulling back for 3 days and testing support, surged right back 18%, more than 10.7 million. And now looking at this pattern, this is the highest level we've seen on the stock since 2023. So at this point, looking for an extension potentially to 14 3/4 and eventually 18. AGEN, one of our swings, is doing very well, coming to the apex of a large ascending bull triangle, up about 8% today. We get to this level, the triple top, we're looking for 10.5 and 12. CAPR, if they're getting thrashed in July, excuse me, pushed up, consolidated, formed the flag, and today popped $1.49 at 22%, 17.6 million. If we can get into this gap, I think we're going to see 13 and 16. CDNA, we added as a swing today. I really like the way the stock came out of a 3-week consolidation with a bullish engulfing reversal bar, 44 to 51 3/4, finished fractions off the high, up 390, 8% gain. Volume picked up as well. OBV's looking good, 57 and 65 targets. CRML with a big spike going through the lateral price resistance and 50-day moving average now is set up for a test of 9.5 and 11. DAIC, 2 days in a row of very big movement and volume as well. Huge volume of 144 million shares today. Now it did back off a little bit, but it was up 200%. And with that kind of volume, I'm looking for more upside potential. Let's call it 8.5, 9. IMMX, definitely a tech trader swing, broke out. If you pull back, a big engulfing reversal board today from 1230 to 1723, a 5-point move. Backed off to 15 at 139, up 10%, but still looking for more now. Upside into low, first high teens and low 20s. LABU about to explode. It looks like the stock just 26 points or 8.5% today. Biotech's leading the way. I think this one eventually makes it up to 400. MRNA, one of our swings, looking great, coming out of a wedge today, spiking another 19 points for 13%. I think we're going to test the 176 and 194 areas, maybe as high as 200. OKLL reversed. This is the parent stock there. This is the ETF. I'm thinking we test the triple resistance at about 390 to 4, and then maybe 5.5. PMI, big spike today, breaking out. You got to the major declining tops line that's been in place for more than a year. Lateral price resistance up here near 1985. There's I'm thinking low teens, mid-teens. PRE finally broke out today after months of consolidation and a tough resistance level near 23. It did pull back to 22.79, so keep an eye on it. But volume picking up, and I think the stock makes it to the high 20s. Resolve, big spike today. Volume was 98 million shares. It jumped 20%, and now I think it's going to take a run at the 335 area as early as tomorrow, and then we're looking at 4. SWVL with a huge day, exploded from 140 to 346, backed off to 222, was still up 51% on 75 million. But this kind of breakout usually yields higher levels. Target now 3 and 4.5. And finally, VIR coming out of a consolidation zone as well. Has some resistance just ahead, up around the 1166 area. If we can get through that, 14 would be my target. And that's a good look at some of the hot stocks at detechtrader.com. Bye, everybody.